Hello again. Here we have the old Kawasaki. I put an extension on the exhaust. This engine came out of a Fokker D7. It didn't have sparks, so I've put a different ignition system on it. I put the extension on it. That's what was in the D7 to get the exhaust out. I'm going to rerun it. This is video number 2, and as you can see by the tank, I haven't run hardly any fuel through it. We'll turn the ignition on. That's an RCSL tachometer, an option for testing the engines. As you can see, it likes the exhaust extension. The idle came down to around 1400 without touching the carburetor. Full throttle seems to be right around 7300 RPMs now, so it might have dropped 150 with this long exhaust extension on it, but it is still running very good, a very smooth running engine. I set the timing at 28 degrees before top dead center, kind of a standard for gasoline engines. Have a great day. Enjoy the video.